Hey guys, welcome back to my Diverse Atlas. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the interossei muscles. Now, what are these interossei muscles? As the name suggests, inter. Inter means between. Ossei. Ossei means bone. So, these muscles are between the bones. Okay, now we'll get into the details. These interossei muscles are of two types. Okay, palmar interossei as well as dorsal interossei. Okay, now we'll get into the details of the video. First, we'll discuss about the palmar interossei muscle. So these palmar interossei muscles are present on the palmar aspect or on the side of the palm of our hand, and these palmar interossei are unipinnate. And what are this origin? Origin is the sides of metacarpals. Okay, so these are metacarpals, these are carpals, right? Okay, so sorry, these are metacarpals, these are phalanges. Okay, so origin is from the sides of metacarpals. So there are four palmar interossei muscles. First and second palmar interossei originate from the medial side, okay, from the first and second digit, and whereas third and fourth the palmar interossei, they get originated from the lateral side of third and fourth digit. Now we'll represent this thing diagrammatically so that our concepts are little more clear. And okay, so first, what we have discussed, the sides of metacarpals, first and second interossei from the medial side. So this is the first digit, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. Okay, how will you identify the first digit? With the help of the phalanges. The first digit, it has only two phalanges, so like that you can identify them. Now we'll trace this. So the first interossei is like this. So now where does it get inserted? Dorsal digital expansion. So it goes and inserts like this. Okay, so this is the first interossei muscle which originates from medial side. So second one is also from the medial side, right? Like this. It gets originated like this, and insertion is same, dorsal digital expansion. It goes and inserts like this. Next, whereas third and fourth, they get originated from lateral side. Okay, like this, they get originated from lateral side like this. This is the third interossei, palmar interossei, like this, and fourth like this. Okay, so these are the four palmar interossei muscles. Okay, so this is the palmar interossei 1, palmar interossei 2, palmar interossei 3, palmar interossei 4. Okay, so this is all about palmar interossei muscles. So this is the textbook diagram, you can appreciate in this. Now what is the action of these muscles, the palmar interossei muscles? The action of palmar interossei is nothing but the adduction of fingers. Adduction of fingers. So this is the adduction. So their action is adduction. Okay, now their nerve supply is ulnar nerve. Okay, I hope you guys are clear with palmar interossei. If you have any doubts, please do comment. And now we'll talk about the dorsal interossei. These dorsal interossei are bipinnate, and they are quite opposite to palmar interossei. Dorsal interossei means what? They are present on the dorsal surface. Okay, on the dorsal surface of our hand. Next, these are bipinnate, and origin. These origin are adjacent sides of metacarpals. Don't worry, we'll trace this in diagram. In exam, we have to write the origin as like this only, adjacent sides of metacarpal. Okay, and insertion is the dorsal digital expansion, and action is the abduction of fingers, abduction here. And now supply is same, ulnar nerve. No, I'll show you how they get originated from the adjacent sides of metacarpals. So they get originated like this, the dorsal interossei muscles, and they get inserted into the dorsal digital expansion like this. Okay, they get originated like this. Just remember the diagram, practice it more, you'll be remembering them. So simple diagrams, right? So you can remember them easily. So this is the third dorsal interossei. It goes and inserts like this, and the fourth dorsal interossei is this, goes insert like this. Okay, so this is the diagram of the dorsal interossei, and what is their action? As discussed, it is the abduction like this. It is the abduction of fingers, and now supply is ulnar nerve. So this is the textbook diagram. You can see they are getting originated from the dorsal sides, from the adjacent sides of metacarpals. So these are metacarpals. The things which I'm writing are metacarpals, and they get originated from the adjacent sides of metacarpals, and then they go and insert into the dorsal digital expansion. So this is the thing about the dorsal interossei. So with this video, the intrinsic muscles of hand are completed. Upper limb is also almost completed, just facial spaces of hand are present. So that also I'll be uploading within 1 or 2 days. Stay tuned to MBBS Atlas, and please do like, share and subscribe, and please do comment, follow our Instagram and Telegram channels. The links are in the description, and you can directly DM us your doubts in Insta also. Thank you once again. Goodbye.